Okay, this video is on 6NSO 3.5, 6NSO 3.5. I will zoom in. And notice we're working on 6NSO 3.5. Okay, our first problem is problem number 4. And problem 4 says match each decimal with its percent equivalent. So let's remember a few things about percent. Okay, percent is out of 100. So a circle has 100%. And 100% is equal to one whole. Okay? Why? Because 100% means we drop the percent and we put it over 100. And that equals one whole. Okay? So that means that half of this, which is 50%, cannot be 50. It has to be 50 over 100, which is 0.50 as a decimal. That is 50%. Okay, so let's look at the problems here. 0.25. Now to go from percent to a decimal to a percent, or from percent to decimal, you could do the following. You could do, let's do percent to decimal. 2,500 percent is 2,500 divided by 100. So let's see what that gives us. Let's go to our calculator and write 2,500 divided by 100. That gives us 25. So this equals 25. And that means that it's, oh, no, that's wrong. That means that it's D, 25 is D. Okay, next one. We have 25%. So 25%, we have to write it over 100. And when we go to our calculator, what does that give us? Let's see. 25 divided by 100 gives us 0.25. So this is 0.25. And that would be B, 0.25. Now 2.50 and 250%. So let's look at that one because that one's very interesting. 250%. 250% is 250 divided by 100, which is 2.5. Okay, why is that? Because it's made up of 100% plus 100% plus 50%. And we saw that 100 and 100 make 1, so 1 plus 1. And 50% is 0.50. So that is 2.50 or 2.5, which brings us to I, letter I.